Hello, my name's Tracy Shepherd-Regan. My company is called Indulgence Beauty. My clinic is based in Daventry, Northamptonshire. I also do clinics in Milton Keynes, Northampton, Rugby, Leamington and Wellingborough, as well as offering home visits. Today, I'd really like to tell you about wrinkle relaxing injections. This treatment improves fine lines and wrinkles. I'm going to show you how this treatment is carried out so that you can see just how easy it is. It also doesn't take very long and causes very little discomfort. So, what is botulinum? The treatment uses a diluted form of botulinum toxin type A. The trade names that you might have heard of are Botox, Azalor, and there are others as well. It's administered by giving tiny little injections at specific points on the face. Each year, there are in excess of 3 million of these treatments carried out worldwide. The treatment improves facial appearance by reducing and removing wrinkles. It aims to improve and preserve your appearance for longer. So how does this work? It's achieved by reducing repetitive muscular contractions. Botulinum blocks the transmission or message from the nerve to the muscle. This allows the muscle to relax as it stops the muscle contracting. The treatment works well on wrinkles that appear when we make certain facial expressions, such as frowning or smiling. Static wrinkles that are present all the time on the face can be treated but may require a combination therapy of wrinkle fillers and botulinum. So, what areas can you have treated? I'm going to show you on Nick. So we have the glabella region here, which is where you get frown lines, so we can do a series of injections here. We can treat the forehead here with a series of small injections which will reduce the forehead lines. We can treat the sides of the eyes, which is good for crow's feet. We can also treat the lines that come around the mouth, or also known as smoker's lines, and we can also turn the corners of the mouth upwards with a couple of injections on the jawline. So I'm now going to show you these injections on the frown line region, which I've already marked up, ready to show where the injection points are. If you just frown it and relax. So we can see there's a series of injections here. Okay, so we start with one in the middle, and frown again for me, and relax. And frown again, and relax. And again, and relax, and again, relax, and again, relax. So as you can see, very easy and quick and painless. The treatment will gradually take effect over the next week to 10 days, and it works fully by about 2 to 3 weeks. The initial effects of the treatment last on average for 3 to 4 months, but they can last longer with repeated treatments. So, are there other uses for botulinum? Yes, it can be used, for example, to help with migraines, facial pain, facial spasms, excessive sweating in the armpits, and it's even used to help children with cerebral palsy to help them walk. So, who's not suitable for botulinum treatment? Well, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, if you have certain muscle disorders, or if you're taking certain medicines or remedies, you'll not be able to have treatment. This would be fully discussed with you at an individual consultation. The treatments are normally performed by registered nurses and doctors. I've been a registered nurse since 1984 and I've fully trained in this treatment. The typical cost of the treatment is between £150 and £299. There may be some side effects, but these are very rare. Sometimes a bruise or bleeding at the site of the injection may occur. You may get headaches for the first couple of days after treatment, but this occurs in less than 10% of cases. Very rarely, you might get a droop of the eyelid or the eyebrow, which might last a couple of weeks, but this is in less than 2% of cases. Extremely rarely, some people get an allergic reaction, but this is in less than 0.1% of cases. If you want to know more and find out if this treatment is suitable for you, please have a look at my website, or give me a call and arrange for a free consultation appointment. You may also like to consider other treatments that I offer, such as medical needling, also called dermal rolling, or wrinkle fillers. Thank you for listening, and I hope to hear from you soon.